If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. In my life, I have made several plans to learn spoken English. Among them, few plans couldn't work for me to enhance my English skills. That moment, I changed my plan, but I never attempt to change my goal. My goal is become a good at English speaker. That's why I'm to make several kinds of plan every day. But every plan can't work. That moment I change my plan. But I have set a plan in my mind. I will have to become a good at English speaker. This is my goal. And I never try to change my goal. But I attempt to change my plan to enhance my skills.